Is your Instagram repost button missing? You updated the app, but the option still isn't there? Don't worry, this is a common issue, and it's easier to fix than you think. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to restore the repost feature step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where I make social media problems simple to fix. Today, I'll walk you through how to bring back the repost option on Instagram using the correct troubleshooting method. Step 1. Update Instagram from Play Store. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Tap the search bar and type Instagram. Select the official app from the results. If an update button is available, tap it and wait for the update to complete. Step 2. Log out and log back in. If there's no update available, or you updated but still don't see the repost button, don't panic. Open Instagram and tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right, scroll down and select Logout. After logging out, sign back into your account and check if the repost option appears. Step 3. Reinstall Instagram and it's the final fix. If the repost option is still missing, we'll do a clean reinstall. If this fix is helping you so far, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. I share simple, real solutions to social media problems, so turn on notifications and never miss an update. So now, go to your app drawer and find the Instagram app. Tap and hold the app icon, then tap Uninstall. Confirm uninstall again when the prompt appears. Step 4. Reinstall from Play Store. Now open the Google Play Store again. Tap the search icon and type Instagram. Select the official app from the results and tap Install. After reinstalling, log back into your account, and in most cases, the repost issue will be resolved. And that's how you fix the missing repost button on Instagram. Most feature issues are caused by outdated versions or account refresh problems, and now you know exactly how to handle them. If this helped you, comment below and let me know what Instagram issue you want me to fix next. Thanks for watching Preyo Phonie, where tech is simplified and social media becomes stress-free. I'll see you in the next one.